Well, it's alive. Just got to bolt a few things up. Put the rear engine cover on it. Or I mean the dust shield, splash shield on it. Get the last few things bolted up. Had trouble getting the air out of it. Had to charge the AC up real quick, but he's running. What a pain in the butt, man. I hate doing these. There's so many small parts, and whoever designed this cooling system that goes on this thing, it's got like hoses that run here and then into the back, and then one splits off and goes into a cooler and then into the thermostat housing. Then two more drop down. One goes to a lower pump, one goes to an upper pump. It's a freaking nightmare with this thing. They just make it to where you have to take it to somebody to work on it, because when you see it, you're like, what the heck is this? It's just completely ludicrous. Remember to reset your keep alive memory, your cam, because the fuel table that you had there before and your misfire monitor, make sure that you reset that as well whenever you do this job. But it's up and running, no codes, no nothing at all. Nice, good heat. I'm going to finish the last little bit up and I'm going to call it quits, but holy crap, man. As I get faster at doing these and become more familiar with them, then I'll do more of a complete breakdown and show you guys how I go through it. The biggest part of this whole job was probably setting the timing, making sure that's correct, and putting the fuel injectors in with the resizing tools, and you have to stretch the Teflon ring around the injectors, and then you got to crush it back down to the factory setting. I mean, wow. And they don't pay enough to do this, to rip this all down, pull that little small block out, and then put it all back together. It's like, dude, what am I? It's nuts. Anyhow, that's the finalization on the 1.5 Escape EcoBoost updated block install.